Understanding, Confront the Leader, a guide to assertive communication. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a fascinating phrase that's quite common in English but can be a bit tricky to understand, especially for learners. Confront the leader. This video aims to break down the meaning, usage, and context of this phrase to help you communicate more effectively and confidently in English. So, let's get started. To confront the leader means to face, challenge, or address someone in a position of authority directly about an issue, disagreement, or problem. This phrase is interesting because it involves two key concepts: confront and leader. To confront someone means to face them boldly or directly, especially to deal with a disagreement or challenge. A leader, in this context, refers to someone with authority, control, or influence over others, such as a boss, a team leader, or any figure in a position of power. This phrase is often used in scenarios where there's a need to discuss a problem, provide feedback, or address a concern with someone who has authority. It's important to approach such situations with respect and assertiveness. Here's how you can do it effectively. 1. Prepare. Think about what you want to say. Be clear about your concerns and what outcomes you hope for. 2. Choose the right time and place. Find a suitable time and setting where you can have a private and uninterrupted conversation. 3. Be respectful and direct. Communicate your points clearly and respectfully. Avoid aggressive or passive language. 4. Listen. Be open to hearing the other person's perspective. Effective confrontation is a two-way dialogue. Let's go through a couple of examples to see how this phrase can be used in real-life situations. In a workplace, if an employee feels that a decision made by their manager is unfair, they may decide to confront the leader by asking for a meeting to discuss their concerns. In a community group, if members feel that the group leader is not considering all viewpoints, they might confront the leader to suggest more inclusive decision-making processes. Confronting a leader can seem daunting, but it's an essential part of healthy communication and relationship building, both in professional and personal contexts. Remember, the key to a successful confrontation is not just about expressing your thoughts but doing so in a way that is respectful, clear, and constructive. We hope this video has shed some light on how to effectively confront the leader and why it's an important skill in English communication. Thank you for watching, and see you in our next video.